Three major developments are defining the tech landscape this week. Apple is currently finalizing a billion-dollar AI partnership. The industry is pivoting towards autonomous, agentic AI, and machine learning models are solving complex material science problems in the physical world. Reports indicate Apple will pay Google roughly $1 billion to integrate Gemini AI models directly into its operating systems. This integration specifically targets the much-delayed overhaul of Siri. To power the assistant, Apple is utilizing a 1.2 trillion parameter version of Google's Gemini. A parameter is a configurable internal variable that determines how a machine learning model processes data and makes decisions. This timeline outlines the integration strategy. The rollout begins in the spring of 2026 with the release of iOS 26.4. By fall, the underlying infrastructure will support iOS 27 and the launch of the J490 smart display.
While Apple spaces out its native integration, Google is actively testing a standalone Gemini application for macOS right now. For decades, Apple has relied heavily on strict in-house hardware and software development. By adopting Google's foundational models, Apple is prioritizing immediate ecosystem-level AI utility over its traditional closed-door development philosophy. Across the broader industry, developers are moving past conversational chatbots. The new focus is on autonomous agents, which are AI systems capable of planning and executing multi-step digital workflows without continuous human prompting. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang highlighted this shift by backing the OpenClaw framework. OpenClaw is an open-source platform designed to build and orchestrate autonomous AI agents. Huang explicitly labeled the project as the next ChatGPT. The practical application of OpenClaw is already visible. A mysterious, highly capable model, now known as Hunter Alpha, recently appeared on benchmarking leaderboards. Xiaomi confirmed this model is actually its new MiMo V2 Pro, specifically optimized to perform agent-based tasks. OpenAI is countering this open-source momentum. The company just acquired the programming tool startup Astral and simultaneously launched two compact models, GPT-5.4 Mini and GPT-5.4 Nano. This comparison table breaks down the economics of these new models. The GPT-5.4 Mini offers a 400,000 token context window at 75 cents per million input tokens, while the Nano version drops to just 20 cents. An API, or Application Programming Interface, allows different software systems to communicate automatically. These low API costs allow developers to deploy dozens of these smaller models in parallel to orchestrate complex tasks. The primary metric for success is no longer how well a massive model writes text for a consumer. The market is rewarding highly scalable, business-to-business infrastructure built for autonomous agent orchestration. AI is also generating tangible results in the physical sciences. Researchers recently used machine learning to discover 25 new high-temperature magnetic materials. These compounds could eliminate the need for expensive imported rare earth elements in the production of EVs, or electric vehicles. Yet, as AI solves complex material constraints, it continues to hit safety bottlenecks. OpenAI has indefinitely paused the release of its planned adult-themed chat feature because its current age verification systems misidentify minors as adults in 12% of test cases. Data centers face their own physical security challenges as the infrastructure scales. Facilities are now deploying autonomous robot dogs, investing up to $300,000 per unit to continuously monitor server farms for thermal anomalies and unauthorized access. The rapid expansion of data collection is creating severe digital privacy friction. In recent congressional testimony, intelligence officials confirmed that the FBI and the Defense Intelligence Agency are actively purchasing the location data of U.S. citizens from commercial data brokers without obtaining a warrant. Machine learning is successfully mapping new molecular structures and patrolling server floors. However, for developers working today, the immediate baseline requirement is mastering the frameworks that allow AI agents to autonomously delegate and execute digital tasks.
Thank you for watching. For more professional AI insights, remember to like this video and subscribe to AI Corecast.